Good afternoon everyone, my name is Chaitanya and I am from Team Heroes.
Good afternoon friends, I am Manjanu, belongs to the team of Avengers. My team members are Sneha and Avinash and Deepika. Today I am here to support man is best friend women.
And I am standing here to give my arguments based on women are much superior to men.
In our world, without men, women can't be a mom and she can't give the birth to us. Because in every step of women, they're behind a man. So man is rather better than women.
I would like to correct that because from our past sayings also we always believe that for every successful man there is a woman. And when man is able to do his job or do his work in a perfect way, until unless his family supports him, mainly his woman, that is his wife or his sister or anyone, if they cannot support him from their home, then how can a man completely concentrate on their work?
Yes, man has a multi-talents. If he thinks, then he can cook and he can do work and he can care child. But in previous days, the culture is to follow as man can do work and woman can take care of her family. That's why man can support, can't support the family, but he do the job and he indirectly supports the family. But people think that the woman is take care of family.
But that was old times because in the past that was the past doings were considered as this even as a social evil also. And now the time has changed. We can even see women walking in the roads deliberately at the time of 12 o'clock also. And a woman working in a multinational company. We all know an 18 years old girl who is the chairman in one of the branch of PepsiCo. And we cannot find much of those youngsters in boys or the future men. According to all the scientific regardings also, we have that women are 3 years much mature from their age and men are 3 years little inferior to their age. So definitely women can think much farther, keeping far point of view where men think only in a narrow and a broad-minded, not so broad and not so likely to be like women.
Yes, today in this world, the women can move on the night of 12 o'clock because of men. Man can satisfy the wants and he gives the freedom to women. If man cannot give the freedom, the woman can't walk at night 12 o'clock also.
Freedom is never a thing to be grasped to so and so person. Freedom is what an individual chooses. If a man or a woman, if they choose the freedom, then they have the right to fight for their freedom also. And in that case, women have come along forward from the back doors. They have come along in front to each and every one of us to be standing with no fear in front of men.
Women cannot understand the people how they are built, how they are. But men are understand the people. They are our view and think and in our interpretation. That's why women are not understand the other people's views, but they are feel ego feeling towards the others. But men are not feeling that type of view.
No, man of is that is greater than woman, and he shows much ego towards a woman. Woman does not think like that. She thinks that all are equal, and she never try to put the man down.
But men are talking towards the other people, but women are understanding another meaning, but men are not understanding that meaning. are talking to the other people with the one meaning, but women could understand they are talking to the people which meaning. Men are the women are women are very eager feeling to to the others. They cannot give opportunity to the others. She wants get marks, but I can't get marks. But by that feeling, he goes, and then men are not feeling like that. He did the work, but that's why he could he get the opportunity, but I am not working. That's why I am not get that.
Yeah, but we should conclude on the fact that women are men are not only getting the facts, but women are also working on the facts.
Men can solve the problem easily, but women cannot solve the problem easily.
Yeah, but many scientists from women side are also solving the problems and they are grading honors.
But about 90% men are only solving the problems. The problem is that they are saying that.
Yeah, that is in the past, but present they are also solving and they are proving what they are.
Man is also the same.
Yeah, they can, but man from very past years they are doing the work. But women in the past they are considered as labor and they are considered only for the home and they should work only for the home needs. But nowadays they are coming out and they are working and they are being similar to the man in all the aspects.
Now exchange the topics. Exchange the topics. Speak.
Women have the ability to give the birth and they have the patience and they can do the jobs and house also they can do the birth.
They have the ability to give birth to child, that is God's creation. But coming to the man, he can work on he can work.
Man also can do the work.
She can do, but more efficiently man can do the work.
But now only woman has a very has much talent.
Man also has very much talent. They also work in all aspects.
As we all know, women has many rules that we should not scold or we should not behave like wrongly. But men have only about nine rules that. Yes, right.
Women has a work role. Man has double hard work.
Without men, how can women manage her house?
Chaitanya, you sit down, send that Vivek or that Chandrasekhar, give chance to others as well. And or else call this Hemant Matala.
Today, government organization gives the most of chances to women, not for men. If you go any interviews or any government jobs, they give first of all see the caste filling and then after they see the either the male or female. That it shows the woman is much important than man in this university.
Man is also more important than women. nowadays we can see that Microsoft CEO Satyanarayana, he is a man. He is earning $530 million per year. Now any man, any woman will earn that like that.
The person who can get the money is not is a better. It's not good. It is our inbuilt mechanism that today's world shows the talents of each man and woman, and they can declare that who is better.
But nowadays men are hardworking so much that they are hardworking more than 20 hours.
But women can do simply few hours and they can got good jobs, and that's why woman is a great man.
Women is known as smart workers.
Man is known as the hard workers.
Nowadays, to gain success, you should have a smart work rather than hard work. For example, if you read entire year, but at the end of the session, if you cannot write the answers properly, what is the use of your hard work? Here, because God has given the opportunity for women to give a birth. Nor your dad, nor your man can give a birth. I understand that man is also required to give a birth, but woman is only one person who can give birth. And she is known as a God because God alone can give a birth. I need Hemant to talk in this regard.
Nowadays, we can see men have got more opportunities than a woman in many companies. We can see more men are working in pressure. They can work in pressure.
I'm already told that nowadays the companies see the first of all they give the chance to men. Then after they give the chance to men.
After that, in past days also we can see more men are working than women.
No, it's not because today's if you go any companies or any examinations, they give the first of all they give the chance to men. 90% chance they give women. Then after they took the men's.
Worldwide, we can see many men are working in more companies. Many opportunities.
Because comparing women, men's population is high. That's why they give they are.
It depends on talent.
No, it's not a talent. It's a population problem. But comparing the talent problem, women are the best.
They will see first of all the talent, how they will manage the.
Yeah, that's why I'm told talent. It's a problem of talent. Talent, women have more talent. If you are 30 years old, you can forget the memory of you lose your memory. But women has the talent. If she has 30 years or 40 years, she can remember the entire what she learned in the previous.
But you can work in a pressure now. You can work in a pressure than women. Very well also.
But that's why already we are told that women are smart workers.
But you can
Smart
work
workers.
hard.
Today, all see the smart workers, not the hard workers.
Women have patience towards the work, but men not have patience. Once the work is paid, he didn't work that field. But women have patience. He fails once, but tries again.
It depends upon individual attitudes. Some have patience, some do not have patience. Some men work hard. Beyond girls have smart work, but without hard work, smart work is not good.
But smart work is not good.
In every institute we have one line that is called, they ask you what is your mother tongue. They never ask what is father's tongue. Mother tongue is important, that and father. In every school, in every institute they ask you what is your mother tongue. But at the end of the day, every time every end of the day, they need a father. Father is known as a guardian of the family, not mother.
Mother also
That is known as cardinal point.
But sometimes there are some reasons. If after the death of the father, mothers take the lead of the house. For example, if a woman can have a number of cushions in life. Example, a mom, she always works for the entire work of the children, of their husband, but she never have a tiresome. In case of gents, they get very exhausted very early. That's the reason woman is known as a best human being on earth.
But they can keep space.
Women's women are great. They work in our house and they work in office also.
Women cannot work very hard. For example, physical work, a man is required much more work that he or he can do than a woman.
But men are not have patience in the compared to women. They work in a house and then we work in a office also. That's why women are great compared to the men.
As said earlier, about mother tongue. Every girl has a surname. His father's surname is a surname, but not her mother's surname.
Yes, both are important. You are talking about the surnames and we are talking about the tongue. Means which language they are belongs to, in which place they are born. That's why both have enough importance, same importance. Even though small baby who is born, she told first of all the one like not like a.
But in present generations, there are few people who have not taken dates. For example, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Still, she has her name Rai over there.
Her husband name is also Bachchan.
Aishwarya Rai.
Aishwarya Bachchan.
Yes, Rai is her surname. Do you know that?
Yeah, but someone can do.
Still, people they are not changed their surnames after their marriage.
According to Indian tradition, every woman changes her surname after her marriage.
We don't have any countries, so only India, but we have lots of countries. All are not obeying this type of tradition. We are comparing with all of the world.
Obeying and disobeying is their personal matter.
Yes. Finally, I want to say the few important points about the women. Women are, without women we can't born, and without women we can't see this world, and without women we can't move one single step in this world. For every satisfaction factor and for every step of our success, the woman is behind us. That's why women get more chances in every opportunities in this world, and government also support the women. So women are more better than men according to their need.
Yeah. Finally, I conclude that men are more greater than a man. Only a woman can singly give birth to any child. They are not inferior. Thank you.
Thank you.